The Puzzle Princess. Once upon a time, in a quaint small village, lived a young lady named Emily. She was well known for her unyielding resolve and love of riddles. Emily would test herself every day with cognitive teasers, crossword puzzles, and jigsaw puzzles. She enjoyed the process of solving mysteries and piecing the puzzle together. Emily came across a dusty, forgotten box while exploring the attic of her old house one beautiful afternoon. Curiosity piqued her interest, and she cautiously opened it. She found a wonderfully created jigsaw puzzle with intricate patterns and brilliant colors inside. She had no idea that this puzzle held a secret beyond her wildest dreams. Emily immediately cleared a spot on her bedroom floor and began putting the puzzle together. A gentle glow emerged from the completed area with each piece she attached. As she pieced together the final portion, excitement coursed through her veins. Suddenly, the puzzle rocked and shimmered with magical energy, and a doorway opened up before Emily's stunned eyes, revealing a hidden dimension. Emily passed through the portal without hesitation and found herself in a place of enchantment and wonder. But, to her amazement, the once bustling kingdom had fallen into disarray. Colorful buildings were fading, birds' lovely singing had died away, and the vivacious energy that had once filled the air had become lifeless. Emily quickly discovered that an evil sorceress had cast a spell that had disrupted the realm's balance. The only way to restore order was to complete a series of difficult riddles spread around the kingdom. Emily realized it was up to her to save the kingdom and its people. Emily set out on her quest, fueled by the Puzzle Princess's drive. Each puzzle she met put her skills to the test and pushed her to her limits. Some challenges required logic, while others required imagination and out-of-the-box thinking. Emily had numerous challenges along the way, but she refused to give up. She reminded herself that endurance and patience were essential for overcoming both literal and metaphorical challenges. Emily saw the realm shift before her eyes as she successfully solved each puzzle. The brilliant colors returned, the birds' lovely singing resumed, and laughter filled the air once more. The puzzles not only repaired the realm, but they also taught Emily essential life lessons about the importance of tenacity, patience, and accepting the process. Emily stood before the sorceress after patiently working her way through the final challenge. She faced the witch with her newfound confidence and unrelenting determination, reminding her that true power comes not from generating chaos, but from spreading joy and peace. The sorceress recognized the wrong of her actions after being moved by Emily's knowledge and resilience. She utilized her magic to restore the realm to its former glory, resolving to always use her talents for good. Emily bid the realm good night, knowing she had not only saved it but also developed as a person. She returned home, holding in her heart the great lessons she had acquired. Emily was inspired by her trip and continued to accept obstacles, solving large and small issues, reminding herself and others that effort and patience always led to success. As a result, the story of Emily, the Puzzle Princess, spread across the country, motivating children to never give up and to confront life's puzzles with tenacity and the idea that they, too, can overcome any challenge that comes their way.